Hello everybody, welcome to Modis English class. Our today's topic is interesting words that take different parts of speech, and these are very interesting. Why? Because all of you know that one word, how that is used differently, having different meanings, different part of speech, and here I have selected 5 words having different uses. One word having different uses, different part of speech that expresses different meanings, that expresses different parts of speech. Let us begin, and the first word is after. All of you look, this is the first word, after, and after used in 3 positions. First one is preposition. How can you use after as a preposition? You can climb the stair after me. You can climb the stair after me. So, here after is preposition. Next one, conjunction. Conjunction means what? Joining. Joining the sentence, joining the clauses. And look at the line. Sonny went away after they had left. So, that is joining 2 clauses. That's why it is called conjunctions. It is called conjunctions. After used as conjunctions. Next one coming, adverb. How after can be used as adverb? This is the line. He arrived soon after. He arrived soon after. So, it describes the arrival of somebody. He arrived soon after. So, after here is an adverb. And next word is that. It is the very common word and uses in different part of speech. Look, 4 different places there, 4 different positioning. First one is adjective. How that can be used as an adjective? What is that noise? Why it's adjective? Because all of you look, noise is the noun. Noise is the noun. Before noun, that is used. That's why here that is acting as a noun, adjective. The next one, preposition. How that can be used as a preposition? That is what went wrong. So, the first position of that, here it means a preposition. Next one, conjunction means joining. They worked hard so that they could pass. Look at the first clause. They worked hard. So, here it is so that they could pass. Another clause. So, it is working as conjunction. Next one, adverb. How can that be used as an adverb? Here, he has done that much only. He has done that much only. So, here it modifies done. It modifies done. He has done. This is the verb. What? That much only. It relates the quantity. It relates the certain degree. So, here it is working as an adverb. It is working as an adverb. And the next one, above. There is always confusion in the minds of the student regarding the use of above. Look at the 4 positions above can be used. First one is noun. How above is working as a noun? Blessings come from above. So, here it is noun. Blessings come from above. Here it is noun. The next category is adjective. How above can be used as an adjective? Correct the above errors. So, errors is what? Errors is noun. Above errors. Before nouns it is used, so that's why it is adjective. Why? Because above errors means following or particular errors. So, above errors. So, that's why it is an adjective. Next one is preposition. Look at the word above. How? The student is not above the teacher. The student is not above the teacher. And the last one is adverb. God is above. So, this is the verb is, it modifies this verb and says one position. Where is God? God is above. Where is God? God is above. That's why it is the adverb. Now I am moving to another last 2 words. Look, but. It's very common word. But is a very common word, but used in different positions. Look, first position is preposition. None but the students got it. None but the students got it. What is that? Preposition. And next one coming, conjunction. Look at the line. What is that? They tried hard but did not succeed. So, first part is they tried hard but did not succeed. So, here it is doing the job of a conjunction, joining two parts, two clauses. Next one coming adverb. How what can be used as an adverb? It is bought right. Look at, so it is, so it modifies is, so that's why it is an adverb. It is bought right, so it is bought right, so it is adverb. Then coming relative pronoun. Bought as a relative pronoun. Look at line. There is no one but like him, so bought is referring to like him, no one but like him, so it's a relative pronoun. And the last word is before. How before can be used in three different positions, three different part of speech. First one, preposition. They came before the teacher, so this is the preposition. They came before the teacher. Next one is adverb. How? They have seen you before. This is the adverb. Why? Because seen. They have seen. When? Before. They have seen you before, earlier. They have seen you earlier, so this is doing the job of an adverb. Then conjunction means joining. How? They went away before I came. I came is a clause and they went away another clause, so it joins two clauses. So that's all about the 5 interesting words. In my next videos I am going to upload another 5 words. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.